Hey guys, I'm V8 Supercar driver Will Davison. Today we're here at the head office of the Alchin Long Group, parent company to Doric and Cowdroy. The group moved into this awesome new facility only a year ago. So come inside and let's go check it out. Since moving into this new site, the Alchin Long Group has grown to over 250 people across its 5 business units at this 12,000 square metre site. It's been really exciting to watch the development of this new site and to watch all these great people work together under the same roof. Let's start where a product begins, the design department. Doric has its own in-house team who design a product from an initial idea right through to market. So here we are down at the 3D printing room. Once the guys have finished a final design on the computer, the designers bring it down here to produce this life-size sample on this state-of-the-art 3D printer. Some of the staff have been here for many years and it's amazing to watch them take separate components into a full product ready for use. Check this machine out. Here we are spinning up springs that become spring balancers. Doric is one of the last manufacturers in Australia that still locally makes its own springs in-house. They've been producing spring balancers for over 20 years. This is the powder coating room. Here at Doric we have over 40 standard colours to choose from. If what you want isn't on offer, we'll find it. We powder coat just about anything, from chain winders to door handles. Throughout the year, the V8 Supercar teams have several testing days for all new ideas and products. Doric and Cowdroy are exactly the same. Using Azuma, an independently accredited testing facility, Doric and Cowdroy test a number of their products. Some products are tested over 30,000 cycles. Just like any V8 Supercar team, where there are a number of people who work behind the scenes to bring a car to the racetrack, here at Doric and Cowdroy there are committed teams at head office who support getting the products into the customer's hands. We have the product management team, managing Doric and Cowdroy's extensive product range and making sure everything meets the customer's needs. Then there's the purchasing and logistics team, who handle all the international shipping, national purchasing and the upkeep of the company's inventory. The marketing team is responsible for showcasing ALG's market-leading products and services, whether it's through trade shows and product brochures or websites and social media. Then there's the accounts team, who are responsible for processing the countless transactions going through the company day in and day out. And last, but definitely not least, is the customer service department, where the team of dedicated customer service agents work closely with the rest of the company to make sure all customer inquiries are promptly answered. If you can't find the details on the websites, ALG's trained customer service agents will help steer you in the right direction. And finally, here we are at ALG's busy dispatch and distribution area. The team works hard at shipping Doric and Cowdroy products across Australia and throughout the world. Well, it's been a pleasure to show you guys around the Alchin and Long Group. They've been great supporters of mine for many, many years, so I look forward to seeing you at a racetrack soon.